This video will help you to calculate the scalar product, angle between two vectors, vector product and scalar triple product of two vectors. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. In this video we will use vectors A, B and C, which you can see on the screen. I've already entered them in the calculator. Defining and recording vectors is covered in our other video on vector calculations. Start from the Vector app on the home screen. To calculate the scalar product or dot product of A and B, start by recalling vector A in the usual way, and then from the catalogue menu choose Vector, Vector Calculations and Dot Product. Now recall the second vector, which is vector B. Press the Execute key and the result is that the scalar product or dot product is 11. One of the uses for a scalar product is in calculating the angle between two vectors. You can also calculate that angle directly. For example, for the angle between vectors A and C, choose Angle from the Vector Calculation menu and enter your two vectors, which are vector A and then a comma, which is shift close bracket, and then your second vector, which is vector C. Remember to close the bracket, press the Execute key, and the angle is 44.5 degrees to three significant figures. The vector product or cross product of two vectors is used in many ways. To calculate the cross product of B and C, for example, recall your first vector, which is vector B, and then from the Vector Calculation menu, choose Cross Product, and then enter your second vector, which is vector C. Complete the calculation with the Execute key. The calculator stores the resulting vector in the vector answer memory, which you can see on the screen here. You can also store it to a particular vector memory if you want. Press the Tools key, choose Store, and then your chosen vector. I will choose vector D. Return to the calculation screen by pressing OK. The scalar triple product A dot B cross C can be found in two ways. We have already found the cross product B cross C. So start by recording the first vector, vector A, in the normal way, and then from the Vector Calculation menu, choose Dot Product. We can use either vector D or vector answer. So from the Catalogue menu and the Vector menu, choose either vector D or vector answer. I can use the page scroll key to find these quickly. Press the Execute key and the answer is -105. The other way is to calculate the scalar triple product directly. Recall vector A, which is our first vector, and then choose Dot Product from Vector Calculation. Now start a bracket for the cross product. Recall the first vector of the cross product, which is vector B, and you can also use the multiplication key for a cross product. Now recall the other vector for the cross product, which is vector C. Remember to close the bracket and press the Execute key. The brackets are important because otherwise the dot product is calculated first, and so the result will be a scalar multiple of vector C. I hope that you are now able to make these advanced vector calculations. I do think it's worth spending some time mastering them.